So this is the cast iron guide block assembly off of a cheap 14-inch bandsaw that was manufactured on the other side of the Pacific Ocean. As you can see, the metallurgy isn't great on the cast iron. It broke at the set screws after not a whole lot of use. So I'm going to replace this by crafting the same piece out of a block of solid hard maple, and then replacing this cast iron with that. I do have some contact cement on here just so I can glue this back together as soon as it's set and ready, just so that the piece will be easier to handle and work with while I'm doing measurements and I'm crafting the other piece. So the contact cement is only just a convenience at this point. So. So now that that's done, before I finish shaping these two holes to their actual size, which is actually be done on this side because most of the front of this is getting hogged out, I'm actually going to take the exterior to the right shapes. Okay, I finished shaping the maple block to match the cast iron piece that I'm replacing off of the bandsaw. That took a little bit of doing. I got a little bit of an overcut right there on the when I was shaping it on the bandsaw. I don't think that's going to affect anything, but I've also got all the internal voids and all of the drills completed, and I've used the file. I've used my files to go ahead and file out these internal passages to match the shapes for the pieces that they will receive. I already used tap and die on the two set screws that hold the whole contraption onto the bandsaw's, the bar on the bandsaw. These are 5/16 by 18 imperial. These four, however, are metric. They are M6 by 1.0, and I've already tapped that one, as you can see there, where I've got it. I'll go ahead and finish tapping the rest of these. This one goes all the way through into that void there to hold it. I actually left this a little bit thicker, not only in the sidewall thickness, but also in the height here. So when I was, I don't know if you can see that, but while I was filing it out, I ended up also deciding to continue this bottom groove from here onto this as well, so that'll have a clean passage. But anyway, so let's get back to work. This one passes all the way through because it actually comes out in there as a hold for that. These two only go about half the depth of the block because these are where screws mount the blade guard to the rest of the bandsaw. So nice and ginger. Make sure you keep this thing perpendicular in both axes. It really doesn't matter if you turn the tap or if you turn the piece. let's see how we did.